Welcome to day 3 of the Flow into Balance Challenge. Over the past 2 days, you have been laying foundations. On day 1, you found stability. On day 2, you freed the spine, releasing tension, restoring movement, and calming the nervous system. Today, we move into a place where many of us hold more than we realize, the shoulders and the chest. This is where stress gathers, where posture collapses, where breath becomes shallow, and emotions quietly tighten. In today's practice, we gently begin to open and expand. We'll start slowing grounded, reconnecting breath and spine. Then we'll warm the shoulders, free the ribs, and move through smooth circular flows designed to restore mobility, improve posture, and invite the breath back into the chest. This isn't about pushing or stretching harder. It's about creating space so the body can remember how to breathe, move, and feel at ease again. So are you ready? Let's begin. Let's do a recap of the previous days. Begin by standing comfortably, feet rooted into the earth, spine natural tall. Let your weight settle. This is Zhan, doing nothing yet aligning everything. For more insight into this practice, you can click the link at top of the screen. Now bring your attention to the lower belly. Inhale gently. Exhale slowly, allowing the chest to soften and open. Let's stay here for a moment. Allow the breath to settle and the body to arrive fully. Now we add the cleansing breath. As you inhale, draw in fresh, positive, healing energy, filling the belly, the ribs, the chest. As you exhale, release stress, release tension, release negative thinking. Let the exhale be longer and softer. Take a few rounds here. Now begin spinal rotations. Turn left and right, easy and relaxed. Allow the hands to softly tap the front and back of the body. This wakes up circulation, warms the spine, and releases stored tension. To close the exercise, gently lift the hands up, then guide them down to your center. Now we move into Dragon Back, the same way as in the previous session. First, let the movement travel through the spine, rounding, extending, flowing like a wave, one vertebra at a time. Keep it smooth and comfortable. If you feel discomfort or pain, pause the movement or consult a health professional. Once the spine feels warm and free, allow the arms to join the movement naturally. The spine leads, the arms follow. If you would like more insight into this technique, please visit our previous session where we explored Dragon Back in more detail. And now gently finish the movement, bringing your awareness back to your center. This completes the recap. Now we prepare the shoulders. Begin slow shoulder circles, letting the arms hang naturally. Inhale as the shoulders roll backward, allowing the chest to open gently. Exhale as the shoulders roll forward, softening the chest and rounding the upper spine slightly. As the shoulders circle, gently flex and extend the upper spine. Feel the space opening between the shoulder blades, the gate between the scapulas. This is especially beneficial if you experience tension in neck and shoulders. Continue smoothly, no force. Let the movement and breath work together. Now change direction, keeping the motion relaxed and fluid. To finish, open your arms and gently bring your focus back to your center. Now let's continue with the next exercise. Bring the hands up in front of you, palms facing upward. Gently circle the arms outward, letting the palms turn down as the shoulders relax. Keep the arms softly bent. From here, rotate the body to the left, softly widening the arms, opening and stretching the chest, palms facing upward. Then return to the starting position. Now repeat to the right. Inhale as you rotate and expand. Exhale as you return to center. This movement frees the upper body, improves posture and allows the chest to open naturally. Move slowly. Keep your gaze forward as the whole body rotates and relax the muscles to allow a deeper, more comfortable stretch. Just a few more, you are doing great. And remember to keep your shoulders relaxed throughout the exercise. Let's gently finish the exercise. Now we move into serving teacups. Align your left hand with your right shoulder, palm facing up. From here, lower the hand to the hip. Then, slowly extend the arm backward, palm still facing upward. Continue the circle, bringing the hand beside the ear, as if holding a tray. Then, return smoothly to the starting position. At first, explore the movement slowly. Shoulder, hip, behind you, beside the head. Then begin to make the movement more fluid. Imagine balancing a teacup on your palm. Let the spiral travel through the wrists, elbow and shoulder. Inhale as the hand rises beside the ear. Exhale as it circles back toward the center. You may add body rotations if it feels natural. This exercise nourishes the rotator cuffs, strengthens the shoulders safely and releases deep hidden tension. Now repeat on the other side. Again, move slowly at first. Shoulder, hip, behind you, beside the head. Then allow the movement to flow. Maintain good posture and relax the muscles. Add body rotations if it feels natural. You're doing great. When ready, try both arms together. Stay upright, release unnecessary tension, and allow a deeper, more therapeutic stretch. Let it feel smooth, calming, and effortless. Now gently finish the exercise. Let's continue with the next movement. Make gentle fists and lift the hands upward. Stretch the fingers wide, lengthening the spine and the whole body. Lift the heels softly, creating space from the feet to the crown. Now lower the arms gently as you open them wide. Let the chest expand. From here, draw the arms slightly back, opening the chest even more. Allow the heart center to soften and open. Now bring the palms together and hinge forward, stretching the arms wide to both sides. Feel the stretch across the chest and the activation of the upper back. Then coil the arms back in, palms facing upward, and return to standing. Now let's repeat the flow with the breath. Inhale, lift and lengthen the whole body. Exhale, lower the arms. Inhale, open and expand the chest. Exhale, palms together, hinge forward. Inhale, open the chest once more. Exhale, return to the beginning. Move through these phases like a wave, lifting, opening, releasing. The movement is smooth and continuous, supporting circulation, spinal fluid flow, and a calm, balanced state of mind. And remember, no force. Let the movement and breath work together. This upward movement supports the natural rising of energy, awakening the spine and the nervous system. Now let's do a few more. You're doing great. Now gently finish the exercise, bringing your awareness back to your center. Now return to stillness. Stand quietly, arms relaxed, breath natural. Feel the openness settling into the chest and shoulders. Notice how the breath moves more freely, how the body feels lighter, more upright. This is integration, allowing the nervous system to absorb the work. Stay here for a few breaths. We finished day 3 and you did a great job. Now, pause for a moment. Feel the space across your chest. Notice how your shoulders rest. Observe the quality of your breath. This is integration, when effort dissolves and openness settles in. Tomorrow in day 4, we continue this journey by bringing flow and coordination into the whole body, allowing movement to feel smoother, lighter and more natural. If this practice supported you, share one word in the comments that describes how you feel right now. And if you're walking this journey with me, make sure you subscribe so you don't miss what comes next. Thank you for showing up. I'll see you in day 4.